Alright, so this morning, me and Will were playing Roblox. Literally, we just got off call, and we decided we'd try to get into our old Roblox accounts. It was very nostalgic. We went on old games, well, only one, that we used to play, and I didn't get to check any of the other stuff out because Will had to go. So I thought with you guys, I'd go around my old account. So, this is my old account. It was created. I friended a few people. These are the only people that weren't friended before I got on because I got Will. And this is Will's old account, Octoberman. He can make his own video on that if he wants to. But I joined December 22nd, 2013. And I remember this account quite well. If we go to the homepage, I really don't want to mess anything up about this. And we look around, look at all the games I used to play. Like, okay, these are just friends playing, so they're recent things. But we have the neighborhood of Robloxia. I used to love that game. Work at a pizza place. Police versus Zombies. That game I thought was fun, but I played it recently and it's not that good. Castle Tycoon. The Baymax Hobby. Beast Boy and Robin from Teen Titans. What else is there? Like, look at all these things that I used to play. Flood Survival, I love that game. And then Enter the Nether Portal Tycoon, Star-Lord's Place, Survive the Disaster Classic. High School Life Fixed. I don't remember that. Okay, like, look at all these places. This is insane. Like, a lot of them aren't even played anymore. Like, what is this game? Let's try this game. This game may not function as it used to. Not surprised, it's an old game. Oh, some things I need to figure out. I couldn't do some certain things while recording because, yeah. But I will, if you guys wanted a part 2 to this, I will play games that I used to play. But let's just explore my old account. So if we go to my profile, I only have one thing. Actually, I have two. I have this one, the baseball cap, the Roblox U baseball cap. Oh my god. Okay, let's go to avatar and try that on. I do have this apparently too, and a blockhead. Okay, let's try this one on. That's another. Okay, let's put R6 on to be more OG. Yeah, that's basically, that sums up my character. I don't remember. I thought I always used this Bloxer. Like, had that, but I don't know. Yeah. This is Octoberman. This is Will's account. And it's just weird. I want to check when some of these. I've never actually checked when Work at the Pizza Place was made. Created. It was created almost exactly a year after I was born. Oh, this is an old game. That's weird. Like, and it's still going strong now. Like, it gets updates like normally, I think. Like, let's check when it was last updated. Well, like pretty recently, like the 30th of December, 2019. That's pretty recent. This one we already checked was made in 2012. Let's when this Plants for Police versus Zombies was made. 2010. October 5th, 2010. And when was it last updated? It's like out of business. Well, that's sad. Does it still get played by people? 66 people are still playing. Castle Tycoon, 0 people play this anymore. Wow, it didn't last long at all. It was made It was made May 1st, 2013, and ended June 26th, 2014. That was not that long. 2000, Castle War Tycoon. Holy, what were these games I used? Baymax, that's, oh, the permissional levels on this place prevent you from entering. That was created 2011. And last updated a year, a little bit over a year ago. That still got updated for a while, but now things have changed. Like, I remember my favorite game of all time still kind of gets played, Flood Survival. I loved this game. And it was created 2012. I have another account, not the GamJon account. If you're wondering why I look like a guest, this guy, hold on, I'll tell you the story, because me and Will both look like a guest. This guy joined our game and is like, I'm the last guest! And we just completely agreed with him, played around with him. And then we decided to annoy him, get in the game again, change our character, and act like we were the last guests, and start saying that. And then he told me I was his dad, and I'm like, okay. So yeah, that's the story of why I look like a guest right now, and yeah, that's my bio. Me like Big E. So yeah, that's my normal account, but I also have another account called just like, it's like Yesterday again, but it's got a 2007 at the end. Here it is. When did this one join? Okay, so this joined February 10th, 2016. Almost exactly a year off from when I made the account I use now. Which I made that one February something. Let's check. Okay, February 23rd. So like 27, not too far away from each other. So yeah, that's that. I kind of want to pimp out my character, but I don't want to change anything about him. I want to keep it OG and good. So these are my two other friends. I don't even know who they are. I think I did. I think I wasn't allowed to friend people that I don't know. Just because we're at 2013, okay? So I'm turning 13 this year in 2020, 2019, 2018, 2017, 2016, 2015, 2014, 2013. So that was 7 years ago. So 12 take away 7. I was 5. So I'm not surprised. So I think I did know these people. They joined 2014. I wonder if their account still gets used. How do you find out if an account's still used? Like, someone please tell me in the comments. I want to know how you figure out when an account was last used, because I want to know when my two friends right here were last used, because I've been on kind of recently and they still weren't on. Like, this person only has 3 friends. They joined 25. Man, I was still using this account all the way till like probably I made that other account. So a while. What's this game? Bro. He earned this badge from Christmas Tree. Oh, Mega Fun Obby. I actually play that. Like, still. Yeah, guys. That's my old account. I have no way of getting into that other account, but if you guys want me to figure out how to get into the Yesterday 2007 account, this one, I will pimp this guy out for a video. I don't want to be a baconaire. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to drop a like, subscribe if you have not already. And I'll see you guys in this one. Goodbye.